Environment Day observed across the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong. A very good morning to all the viewers who's watching the news right now. You're with Jirpon Kalimpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has appointed 2 new board chairmen for 2 new departments. Both the newly appointed persons are from BJP's Socheng Mandal from West Karbi Anglong. They received appointment letters from the Baithalangso MLA Rup Singh Teron on Saturday. Local youth leader and Socheng Yuwa Morcha President Joy Singh Crow has been appointed as the new board chairman of the Fishery Department, replacing Vidya Singh Tompi, while Joy Singh Tiso has been replaced by Augustine Hanse as a minority board chairman. The MLA stated in the program that the post earlier occupied by Sarso Tiso has also become vacant. He is discussing KAC CM to appoint someone from his LA constituency. The new board chairman had extended the gratitude to KAC CM Tuliram Rohang, MP Horan Singh Bey, MLA Rup Singh Teron, and MSc Rina Terangpi for entrusting them with new responsibilities. They had committed to work sincerely and carry out works specially for development in the border areas.
Bang thomen pejok polo alang tum bang thom pejok konde pen pi bang ke enu sarsu tiso pan bang ke alar bang pi pelang noni tu jeng wai pon tu po la je bahini pharmang alar pi pon lo josing tiso lar bang ke da ta palong itu ilitum da Agustin Hanse Hansi pi pon lo la pen Bidasing Tokbi Fishery Board Development la so chairman bang ke aprang Bidasing Tokbi alar bang ke da so teng long jo morcha president josing Crow Hansi pi pon patelo la je alang tum ki pi pon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen langsung order bangsi pinialang tumpan hangsi lang tumpan itum council pen lang tumpan pajir polo.
Rangsia bang ke litum local MLA sar alang li ke damtang ML election hut rat phan ke than ke muman son analong ansu se cherap dun longi phan se lang li ka ke mang bani tum hanang point lo lapen labang so long tum Karbi Anglong CM sar lapen ke MP lang li tum sitame il tum MLA tum belang tum chingwai chingsai chikroi sar pen tim Karbi Anglong tum ni tum hanang kai point ning arong lo labang ke aprang silam thelo te adun thu bang ke alang tu pima ke claim ki dam ni bang ke alang li tum local MLA lapen ke li tum CM sar MP sar lang tum sinang than pon bompo pelang tum ke than long bang ni tum kai kita chirap dun po lapen ke aprang si ili tum ke nam tang tum MLA sar election aprang alang li commitment doisi je tum Karbi Anglong ke border issue thepik labang so issue a problem along bang ni li tum ovegi mi phanang kai point por bang anytime 24/7 ni li tum alang tum along a chirap dun je phansi ni li hin pen bang ke isi ninge thedolo.
Daniel in his report from Hamran for Karbi Anglong Live. Even though the forest covers in the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong is decreasing at a massive rate due to the unabated smuggling of timbers and various mining activities, the World Environment Day was observed across the districts of the state. Students, civil organizations, NGOs, individuals, and government department organized program in which thousands of tree saplings were planted on the occasion. Here's the report. Karbi People's Liberation Tiger Group also joined hands with the people of the district to observe the day at the KPLT designated camp in Kolonga, where the group planted several trees on Saturday. Plantation of trees on the occasion was commenced at the hands of KPLT C-in-C, SJ Ijang, who was present at the event. During the day, different varieties of plants were planted to mark the occasion. While interacting with Karbi Anglong Live, KPLT leader Sarmon Kramsar reminded that the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong has been counted as one of the greenest districts of the state, but is now under great threat due to the continued felling of trees for timbers, which is smuggled outside. The KPLT leader urged upon the Forest Department under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to adopt tough measures to detect and stop the illegal activities inside the forest and to protect forest and land.
Toh pini nitum laso sai ke dengan kok bang ke lapu helo nitum lapu West Karbi Anglong da Kolonga KPLT Sisra District Kemalong chitong si pir the dang jatang pro bol environment dei ani pachitong si nitum la hai thing pi la hai pon la ke e pen nitum thing pi kang hu to mana do la tum ge ani bang si ke beng la ke beng nong pan nitum a so si tum puthot ikuna po la pen la hai la thing pi ka pan ho ka tum mana ke putha pra khom sa ki tum ta lang do nang po la pen alang tum mana so da pen sai po na po la pen nitum la ki lo ada me la hai thing pi ke ne ge ji fan si nitum ta ning khelo lapan ke bang jilang orang itu am sih itu mating pi epon thula ani bang itu kadok itu selang dorat namun kai itu biar sengkar biang nong kapin song jipan ke itu kadok biang nong arpu dolo pasti kadok itu malah cunuri lo itu bola roman dia ni kan cenglok ke bang jilang ni long ke teng pi teng perang kapal di seng jepan ลาเป็นพิวเท่ไม่เส้นเจพันในตุ้มเล่นบอลบอมเลย
Kaya mo si officer tu mga Japon tingki ini pulo sin tum anu si alon Karbiang long alon padui fansi tum kaburi ang sin tum ta pini chong hudu basami tum ta penta hin belang popa pen rong pen public tum ta ang si cerap unang po.
On the other side, the Opani Forest Office led by Beat Officer Rajas Lekhe observed the World Environment Day by planting tree saplings. They planted the young trees on the surrounding areas of new RCC bridge built on the Dhansari River in the Karbi Anglong Golaghat inter-district border. The Forest Department officials were also joined by local sand mahaldars and suppliers and also local public. Talking to our correspondent, Beat Officer Rajas Lekhe expressed his gratitude to those who had joined his team in planting trees. He said that in the absence of trees, animals including insects and reptiles cannot live. Plants are the primary source of food for all living beings. He appreciated all those people who, despite being a pandemic situation, had shown concern for nature and planted trees in their compound. He had urged everyone to continue loving nature and plant more trees.
Pini pirothe dangalong World Environment Day arni jaton si itum de open process ahin pen la pen nanga charabdun dak de opani araratum la pen adim bangke Dhansari bridge along pini mitum World Environment Day arni thing perong ke epononi labang sorni ni tum thing perong epono la pen labang so thing perong ke epona thila halo pirothe dangalong pache tondun si pini nilitum dak deopane arat lapanang parta dak cerok to arat tumpen cingrum si nilitum thingperong eponong lo laposon si dilin pen chunri la halo je pirothe dang same pini covid-19 ke so panajok ilitum hempen balong le office tame pini hempen bar base tame methang hem ba methang arong long same ilitum labang sorni chama thadun pen abang putin same thingperong epon son de message pusi nilhin pen chunri ripon.
The Borpathar Rongrup Kelang Asong also celebrated its 17th Foundation Day come World Environment Day in Biswanath on Saturday. The program was participated by Borpathar youths and elders while complying with the COVID-19 protocols. The program was chaired by Organization President Lalit Chandra Kro and was attended by former President Suren Phangchu, Nirmal Terang, Kabiram Ronghang, ex-General Secretary Dhiren Kramsa, Purno Phangchu, Social Worker Bagiram Kro, Borpathar Youth ex-President Purno Terang, Subharam Phangchu, Jayanta Ingti, Bikram Kramsa, General Secretary Joysing Teron and several youths of the area. Later in the day, the organization planted several trees on the occasion of the World Environment Day, which was observed across the districts and states of India and other countries of the world. The World Environment Day celebration under Umjakini Range was led by Range Officer Bibison Taubi and Beat Officer Rostom Timo. They planted trees in the Hawang Range Office compound and the surrounding areas of Rongthang. More than 1,000 saplings were planted and also distributed among people of Umlapher who have joined in the observation.
समय है हम लोग के लिए तो बहुत अभी भी लकी है और इतना पेड़ है अभी भी, लेकिन समय रहते समय हम लोग इसको प्रिजर्व नहीं करेंगे, प्रोटेक्शन नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग का बीच में अवेयरनेस नहीं रहेंगे तो एक दिन ये भी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो सेम कंडीशन लाइक दिल्ली, मुंबई वी आर गोइंग टू फेस.
Subhash Terang from Langchiting, Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Chandra Singh Rongpi from Biswanath Sariali, Hemari Rongphar from Ulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.